welcome to my CVS haul. CVS was pretty good. There was one mistake that I didn't notice until after I got home, but that's okay. So I'm here to share with you guys my haul. I love it. I'm still getting a ton of CRTs. I have to scan my card 4 times and enter my number 4 times, and they're still printing out. And then after I go to the checkout, I still have even more printout. So if you guys are only printing it once, don't. Scan your card as many times as you can. Enter your number as many times as you can, because those things will keep coming out. I feel sorry for like the people who just think it's you just print it once and you're done. So anyways, I'm here to share with you guys what I got at CVS. So we're gonna do this big deal first. My cat is behind me. So I ended up doing the Colgate mouthwash deal. I originally was going to get 1 Colgate and 1 toothbrush, but then I had a 2 off of 12 mouthwash CRT, so I decided to do it this way. So these were $4.49. I used a $2 off digital coupon for the toothbrush, a $2 off digital coupon for 1 of the mouthwashes, and I used 2 $1 off insert coupons that we got in today's inserts. I also had a 2 off of 12 mouthwash CRT. So I paid $9.96 for all 4 of these, but with every 2 that you get a $5 extra care buck. So I got $10 back, making this a 4-cent moneymaker. So I got those for free, which I absolutely love. I ended up getting the copper tone sunscreen. Now these were $9.99. I had a 5 off of 2 insert coupon that we got from 2 weeks ago, and then I had a 3 off of 12 copper tone CRT. So I ended up paying $11.98 for the both of these, but then you get a $10 extra care buck, making it $1.98, so 99 cents a can. And I've been going crazy with sunscreen lately. It's just like, how much sunscreen do I need? Okay, and then I had a 50%, I was talking to Llewellyn about this last night. I had a 50% off coupon for the Revlon. And so I was asking her, which one thing is, I do know you're not supposed to pay with extra care bucks when you do this deal. So hold on, I've got one more in here somewhere. So I got another one in here. Seriously? So anyways, I bought 12 nail polishes. This was the cheapest thing that my store had in stock. Everything else was completely sold out. So I bought 12 nail polishes because you could do this deal 6 times up to, you know, so 12 is 6 times. So these were $6.29 a piece. I had a 5 off of 25 CRT, and then I also had a $4 off Revlon CRT, and then I had a 50% off CRT. So I ended up paying $32.68. Now you do not want to pay with extra care bucks. So this is something you do have to pay out of pocket. Now, I ended up using a gift card that I get from like Swag Bucks or Flues. You guys can pay with a gift card and get some cash back, so however you want to do that. But that's what I ended up doing. But then I got $30 back. So this ends up becoming $2.68 for all 12 of them. But I know I will be hitting Beauty twice, so that is $6 back that I will be getting back from Beauty. So technically it comes out to be a $3.32 moneymaker. So I pretty much made a profit from buying those, which I was excited for. Sorry, I'm just petting my cat because you can't, when you see an animal, you just can't stop printing it. So I had a 5 off of 25 CRT. Now, usually when a CRT does not work or doesn't go through, they tell me about it, but the cashier didn't tell me about it, so I lost out on $5 because I was 50 cents short. The reason was, I'll explain that in a second, and I had the math correctly, but then I had to switch something out, and that's what messed me up. But otherwise, it would have been a great deal. So I'm going to show you guys the individual prices. So here is today's freebie. It is the gold emblem. These are $1.49. You can just use that app coupon. You get this absolutely free. I got the assorted gummies and bears. Now, I originally was going to get both Chips Ahoy and Oreos, but then I looked and it was the same, like, number that's on the ad. So it was one or the other. Well, I was going to get the Oreos, and I looked at the Oreos and they were all expired by a month and a half. A month and a half. So I had to get these that don't expire for a while. So the Oreos would have been 2 for $7, and these are 2 for $6. So that's how I got messed up and didn't do my math, because I thought I was over, but apparently I was not. But anyways, so these are 2 for $6. I used a 75-cent off a 2 insert coupon that we got today. Paid $5.25. You get a $2 extra care buck when you buy it. Comes out to be $3.25 or $1.62 a piece if you guys need some cookies. I was trying to get some filler items, so I ended up getting these Skittle gummies. These are the greatest. These were 2 for $3. I had a 75-cent off digital coupon, and I had a 75-cent off printable coupon that I got from coupons.com. So these came out to be just $1.50, 75 cents a piece, which is a great deal. Then I was going to the store and I wanted to get the ropes. I wanted to get the Airhead ropes. These were $2.69. Buy one, get one 50% off. Well, my store only had 2 of them. So I was trying to figure out, to get the third one, what one was qualify and what would qualify for Ibotta. So I ended up scanning these Airhead stripes. These were on sale also for buy one, get one 50% off, but they were not the Ibotta deal. So what I did for this deal is I got 2 of each. I got 2 of the stripes and then 2 of the ropes at $2.69. Buy one, get one 50% off. You would pay $8.07, but then you get $3 back when you buy 3. And then you get 75-cent and 75-cent to Ibotta. And you get $1.80 with Shopkick, which is 450 kicks for Shopkick, making these for just $1.77, which is a pretty good deal. But then I was scanning all of the, I got more in here. All of the Airheads, trying to figure out what was on sale, and these were ringing up 2 for $3. So I got these 2 for $3, but there is a 75-cent rebate and a 75-cent rebate that goes with the same rebate. So I got those. So these come out to be just $1.50 if you want to do that. So 75 cents a piece if you want to do it that deal. Paris? No, honey. No Paris. So the next deal I got is the Kinder eggs. Now these were 2 for $3. You would pay $3 for this. But then you get you can submit a $1.79 off a 2 rebate with checkout 51, where it comes out to be just $1.21. So these come out to be like 60-ish cents. So if you guys want to go ahead and do that. So if I just needed to spend 50 cents more to get the $5 off coupon, I was pissed. So if you guys can spend 50 cents more, there's a couple things out there. You would have ended up paying $16.32 for everything. But with the CRTs, the ECBs, Shopkick, and Checkout 51, my grand total for all those items would have been $4.23. $4.23 if everything went correctly. So kind of mad about that, but you know, things happen, and you know, you got to just pay attention, which I do, but then sometimes I don't, and that's just the way things happen. I always the reason why I don't pay attention is because I always go up there when there's nobody up there, and then right when they start scanning is when somebody shows up, and then I get all, I don't like holding up the line. I sometimes I get those looks, but it's just like, you know, I've been in line forever too, but I'm also respectful for people, but it just sucks, you know, but I'm a person where I put people first. That's just the way I am, you know. But anyways, my total came to $34.43. Like I said, I did pay with a gift card that I got for free for printing coupons anyway, so I did not pay anything with my own money. But $34.43. I ended up using $40 worth of extra care bucks. That was for I did 2 transactions, but I did receive $55 back in extra care bucks. I will be getting $3 back with Ibotta. I'll be getting $1.80 back with Shopkick, and I'll be getting $1.79 back with Checkout 51, making my grand total just $12.84, 31 items at 41 cents a piece. But I should be getting $6 back for beauty. I might even get 9. It depends on what I bought last week. But I will be getting $6 back for Ibotta. So for beauty. So technically my total will be coming out to be $6.84, which is still a great deal. I wanted to do the L'Oreal deal. I did not get those coupons. I wanted to do the Love Beauty deal. Did not get those coupons. I wanted to get the Effordent. My store is sold out. My store for the last, I want to say 2 months, has been sold out on a lot of items. Like their CoverGirl is completely wiped out, and they're saying that they've just had a ton of people quit at the warehouse of CVS. So like the thing is, like, I don't know if they're just not ordering it or if it's not getting automatically ordered, but like certain things have just been sold out for weeks and weeks and weeks, and some of that stuff causes me to not get these deals, which is not a big deal because they'll repeat themselves again, but it just kind of sucks, you know, when you want to get a good deal, especially some like money makers, because I could have gotten like a good deal with the shampoo stuff, but couldn't because I didn't have the coupons for it, period. But anyways, I just want to give you guys a heads up on that. Thanks for watching, and I will see you guys next week. See you later. Bye-bye.